Back to my channel. So let's just begin with Nifty price action today. So I will explain about just August because already I have done the previous 3 months explanation. So we'll just skip the best part and we will just try from August. Okay, so pretty simple. Here is the August open, and then it was drifting down, and then it was drifting up again. It just went sideways here, and then it was a pretty clever move, gave a close here. So this week expiry, this is Friday, this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday. So overall these had positive decay, which has been actually very cleverly hunt here. So this is the SL hunting zone. Okay, especially I will write hunting zone because see, they actually drifted down and all the sellers or PE buyers would have entered here because of the US news, and then boom, every SL is hunt and they will be in profit. So this is how the expiry we have to check with respect to sellers. So always you have to check from weekly perspective or monthly perspective special. Okay, now we'll move on to the next. Bank Nifty, Nifty and Midcap Nifty, similar pattern you can see. So this zone is very important zone. I'll check for August. So this is the open, drifting down and then sideways, again drifting down and then again sideways, and then perfectly V-shaped recovery. So you could see it was the positive decay here and here. So and the rest of the time the decay was a bit minimal when compared to the other days, but today it was a very good blast, and this is the simple price action. We'll now move on to the chart patterns or the OI straddle chart patterns I mean. So first we will start with the pre-open market. So it was definitely a gap down, right? So definitely sellers are market was like retail people were thinking that the US news has impacted, but this is simply a profit booking strategy. And when you check all, oh, it's taking time. So you could clearly see that almost too much in the decline side. Okay, so definitely the news has impacted, but still the important support acts as the support, and boom, price just goes up in the last hour. Okay, so on the negative side we have Adani Entertainment, Adani Port and Grasim. On the positive side, okay, so where is the positive side? Okay, on the positive side we have Hero MotoCorp, TechM and JSW Steel with almost very good percent high. Now we'll see the FII data. Okay, so I'm not premium, I'm going to go for the free version. So this is the FII data, this is buy and this is sell. So clearly sellers are weighing too much on the buyers, so definitely market is shifted toward the bearish side, but let's wait. So this is the resistance and this is the support. So you could clearly see the put short and the call short and the added position. So this definitely says different story. Okay, so sorry, I am checking for August 7th. 8th data is not already available because these positions tomorrow will disappear because today it's expiry. So they have added the positions, tomorrow again they will stabilize. Okay, now I thought we'll check for stocks as well so that we will get some idea. So this was stock buy, long buy, short means sell. So you could see they are very bullish with the stocks, so have added more positions in the buy side than the sell side. And call short is resistance, put short is support. This is also 77 and 49. So clearly resistance is more because they're hedging their positions here. Okay, now we will go and check the holidays. So definitely we have holidays. 15th August is a holiday, and results for 8th, right? Today it's 7th. I'll go to 8th. So see, Grasim results were good, that's why Grasim was in the positive side. Okay, now we'll have 8th. Okay, Tata Motors, Info, Spin, blah blah. These are the upcoming bonus, Q1 results as well as dividends. So watch out for these stocks. They might come up tomorrow in the build up side or gainers side. Okay, so here basically I'm going to check this part for the day. Okay, so 24,600 is important resistance. Okay, remember that. We'll go for next expiry. Next expiry 500. Market's going to be a good support. 23,500 is going to be the good support, but 24,500 and 24,500 is definitely the resistance here. You could clearly see. Okay, now we'll go for Bank Nifty. When you check the day, so it's 50,065. So 50,000 itself is been in the CE side, means then it's a doubtful position for Bank Nifty. Now I'll go to the next slide to check the OI. So first off is Nifty, and then you could clearly see how crazily it moves. So everything is having the profit booking here, but when you check for next expiry, it is opposite. It's built up here. Okay, so clearly put writers are more for next week, and then here also you could see monthly almost similar. So they are in the decision phase whether to bring up or bring down. Okay, so Bank Nifty clearly almost showing us the sideways vibe. Now we'll go to the straddle. We'll do a small price action comparison here because it's kind of important. And then you can see from 550 to 750 it was almost